Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best orbital sanders in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Skill SR211601. With Dustbox, the Skill SR211601 Random Orbital Sander is a powerful tool that combines aesthetic appeal with a great deal of functionality. From impressive power output to make quick work of finishing in a wide range of DIY projects, to ergonomic features that ensure user convenience and ease of use, it is no doubt one of the best products on the market. Whether for indoor or outdoor applications, this bad boy has all it takes to get work done efficiently, with as little effort on your part as possible. The center of all the action in the Skill SR211601 is a powerful 2.8 amp main motor with an impressive top speed of 13,000 orbits per minute. This compact, high-power unit is lightweight and will provide all the torque needed for effective sanding. Its high orbital speed is greater than that in many other similar products and makes it an excellent tool for detail and finishing touches. Number 9. Porter Cable 382. With automatic balancing, the Porter Cable Random Orbit Sander is a great device that comes with a set of outstanding features tailored to make light work of a wide variety of DIY projects. It combines impressive power versatility with functionality that makes it a great buy for people who like to put their hands to dirty work of sanding. Sporting an elegant ergonomic design, it is designed with you, the user, in mind. User convenience and ease of use objectified, this tool will allow you to work efficiently and quickly without fatigue. User convenience oriented, this device is fitted with an efficient dust removal system. The mechanical action in sanding wears down the base material via abrasion. Coupled with the high rotational speeds of the sander, fine dust particles will become suspended in the air quickly and dirty the work area. To prevent this, the innovative feature on this sander whisks away as much dust as possible from the sanded surface, before it is thrown off. The Porter Cable Random Orbit Sander has a uniquely designed dust bag and attachment made to enhance airflow through the chamber. This minimizes the risk of inhalation and makes after-work cleanup as easy as possible. Number 8. Makita BO5030K. With sealed switch, the Makita BO5030K Random Orbit Sander is a powerful compact device that comes with a wealth of features that sell it as an instant buy. When it comes to impressive power, functionality, and reliability, this titan stands tall. All its features are tailored to make quick sanding work in a wide variety of DIY projects. It emphasizes customer ease of use, efficient abrasion, and extended service life. While it does come at a significant price tag, it more than compensates in its action. The Makita BO5030K is a great power sander for a host of DIY projects. After fabrication, you want to smoothen rough edges, to enhance the product's beauty and make it safe to handle, and you want to do all that quickly. At the heart of this innovative gadget is a powerful 3.0 amp main motor that can achieve impressive orbital speeds of up to 12,000 orbits per minute. It draws power through an attached electric cord and gives you all the torque needed to sand various material surfaces. Rated at over 300 W, this device packs a punch and will make light work of your finish touches. The high rotational speed of the sanding disc makes for excellent surface detail finish and shine. Number 7. DeWalt DCW210B. With brushless motor, another superb product from DeWalt, the DCW210B brushless orbital sander is a revolutionary piece that stands out from the competition, with a ton of amazing features that emphasize reliable functionality and portability. It is the first cordless sander in our list and embodies state-of-the-art battery and motor technology. Whether for detail finish or coarse sanding, this tool will work like a champ. It does at a much higher price tag than many other sanders in the same category, but many attest to its real value for money. The DeWalt DCW210B orbital sander draws all its sanding power from a powerful 20V brushless main motor that sits just above the sanding pad. Brushless motors are one of the most efficient in the market and can achieve very high speeds. It's no wonder the top speed of this motor is 12,000 orbits per minute. As it does not have brushes in its core like in many other motor types, it runs very quietly and with little to no vibrations. The high speed makes for a unit that will get work done quickly and bring out the finest details. Number 6. Black, Decorb Dex 300. With dust filtration, the Black & Decorb Dex 300 is another great product from the company and is the first sander that works strictly by Orbit on our list. All the features on this device have been tailored to make the sanding process as efficient, quick, and user-friendly as possible. The path traced by this sander makes it great for getting into constricted or sharp corners other brands may find difficult. Combining elegance and superb functionality, this tool makes for comfortable work experience and gives you the power needed to conclude your DIY projects in grand style. The heart of the Black & Decorb Dex 300 is a 2.0 amp main motor that can reach a top speed of 1,600 orbits per minute. This motor draws power from the main supply to generate the torque that drives the sanding operation. Modern and compact, it significantly contributes to the overall lightweight of the sander. Number 5. Makita BO5041. With front handle, the Makita BO5041 is a powerful random orbit sander that is equipped with a wealth of features to cater for a wide range of indoor and outdoor DIY projects. It combines impressive power with ease of use to make quick work of your sanding needs. When it comes to functionality and unique features, this beast stands tall. It packs all that has to be in a sander and gives the operator a handy, efficient option to bring out the shine on the surfaces of different work materials. This device will give you what you need to make a final statement with your work and bring out your creativity. The Makita BO5041 is a highly functional random orbit sander that comes with a ton of features. The powerhouse behind this great tool is a powerful 3.0 amp motor that can reach speeds of 12,000 orbits per minute. All the sanding power comes from this compact unit and will give you all the torque you need to make an excellent finish over a range of both light and heavy-duty indoor and outdoor DIY projects. Number 4. TacLife PRS01A. With 5-speed controls, the TacLife PRS01A is a powerful device that comes with a wealth of features that emphasize raw functionality and user convenience. When it comes to superb work adaptability and quick action, this beast stands tall. It sports a unique design and comes with features that make cleanup as easy as possible. Its high adaptability to different work environments makes it the ideal tool for a wide range of indoor and outdoor DIY projects. This device will give you what you need to make a final statement with your work and bring out your creativity. The TacLife PRS01A is a powerful and highly adaptable device for a wide range of DIY projects. It comes with a unique casing design that is streamlined to the human grip. This device will fit right into your hands like it was made just for you. Number 3. DeWalt DWE6421K. With dust-sealed switch, the DeWalt Random Orbit Sander is one of the best power sanders on the market. This handy tool packs superb functionality into a compact unit. In terms of raw power and ease of use, it stands at the top. With a wealth of features that emphasize great handleability with unique design, this device is the perfect accessory to have in your toolkit before you embark on your various DIY projects that prioritize aesthetic appeal. While this sander comes at a significantly higher price tag than many others in its category, customers can't help but attest to its real value for money. The DeWalt DWE6421K is special in its sanding path. The sanding pad moves in a random orbit. This allows for great surface finish and significantly reduces the possibility of streaks forming. It combines the functionality of a belt sander, used for smoothing coarse surfaces, and can still double as a finishing sander. Number 2. Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. Bosch has been around for over a century and has been dishing out great products since it was found. The Bosch ROS2 VSC is a palm sander that does not fall short of the company's name. Combining superb functionality and handiness, this device is a must-have for those who like to get their hands dirty with DIY fabrication projects. The finishing touch you need to showcase your craft, this tool will do perfectly for you. When it comes to raw power and superb compatibility, this beast stands at the apex. The Bosch is a great palm sander that is suitable for light work of surface finish on a wide range of materials. Powering its sanding capabilities is a powerful 2.5 amp main motor that runs on the mains supply. The high current drawn from your socket transposes to impressive torque for a compact unit. All the rotational power you need to make quick work of all your finishing processes is available from the main motor. The main motor also comes with adjustable speed control that allows for high adaptability with various material types. The high orbit per minute setting is ideal for light, finishing touches, while the lower speed settings result in higher torque and are ideal for coarse sanding. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Darrow 100, Best Overall Orbital Sander. The Black Plus Decker Random Orbit Sander is another great product from the century-old Black Plus Decker. Combining great functionality and user convenience, it is the ideal sanding tool for the absolute beginner and will provide a quick option for finishing projects. When it comes to impressive power and compactness, this sander has it all. All its features have been tailored to make sanding as easy and user-friendly as possible. Let's have a look at some of its features that make it stand out from other similar brands. The Black Plus Decker Darrow 100 comes with a uniquely designed durable plastic that houses all the components. This makes for a lightweight unit that is impact-resistant. This ensures minimum shock to the device and that it remains in optimum condition even after impact.